kikuu cha Nairobi mapema leo. Wanafunzi wa chuo kikuu cha Nairobi mapema leo waliandamana wakilalamikia kuchelewa kwa mikopo ya HELB. Wanafunzi hao, mtazamaji, waliteketeza ama walizua vurugu katika barabara za Lower State House, ikiwabidi wafuasi wa usalama ama maafisa wa usalama kuingilia kati ili kuweza kurejesha utulivu. Shughuli za usafiri zilitatizika kwa muda, wanafunzi hao wakisema kwamba wataandamana kila Alhamisi iwapo pesa zao hazitatumwa ifikapo hapo kesho.
It's very unfortunate that we are begging for our rights. This HELB, we are informed that once we delay to pay it in future, we will be penalized. So we want to tell HELB that if you delay also giving us money, we will also penalize you. And you know the way in which we will penalize you. It is worse and very unimaginable. Today we've just been warming up. We've not done anything. We've just been warming up and taking roll call and confirming our numbers. If you delay to bring this HELB by Friday, it will be very dangerous and unimaginable, and it will be very unimaginable.
Every Thursday from next week, we will go to the streets. Like you have seen, we have peacefully picketed. That is why police have not come to riot. Next Thursday, we will go to the streets and demand for our rights. And I can promise Kenyans and comrades that 19th floor will be ground floor.
We are not here to negotiate with anybody and help. We are telling them and we are giving them an ultimatum that if they don't remit the amount at any time as from now, then the consequences are more regrettable than imagined.
Naam, mtazamaji, tuelekee huko Wajia.